Hey guys, it's Tanielle. Welcome back to my channel for a short and sweet tutorial. More like me trying out a style and seeing how I can make it work for me. So as you can tell, I have a high ponytail. If you follow me on Instagram or if you follow me on YouTube already, then you know I tried to do a high ponytail. Or if you're in my Facebook group, I posted in there about it. This is inspired by an actual member of the Facebook group who was trying to do a high ponytail and she couldn't because her locks were fine and low density like mine. So I figured out how to hack how I could possibly wear a high ponytail right now, and so I just want to show you guys how I do it. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna be starting off with just my hair just down, and I'm gonna try to get my ponytail like as high as I can get it. I don't want it to be just like a regular ponytail like right here. I want it to be super high on my head, and with the limitation of my hair being kind of fine, what happens when your hair is finer or softer is that it flops over. So if you aren't gonna embrace that, then you probably don't want to try to do this. So first, just start gathering up the hair, and I've already sprayed my hair off a little bit because I want the ends to be as curly as possible, but I'll just show you guys for this sake. Oh my god, Tanielle versus spray bottle. I don't know why I make that face, but anyway, spray my hair off with some water, and I just wanted to get the ends as curly as possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling the hair up to the front as high as I can possibly get it. So, and you can even, like, if you need to, you can kind of like turn your head upside down, and that would make it a lot easier. But for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna turn my head upside down, but it might make it easier to get your hair up really high if you were inverted. So I'm getting my hair as high as I possibly can so you can see from the back. To the very, very top of my head, and I'm just gonna put this in a ponytail like so. Okay, with those 4 bobby pins, I'm good. Everything is up. My hair. So if you are okay with it like this, with just a little bit on the back, you can, or you can just pull some back in the back. But this is what the front looks like, and I actually like the fact that it's more at the front than at the back. And then next, I just I got these headbands for a clinic because I have to keep my hair up when I work in clinicals, which is why I even tried to do this, because I was tired of wearing a ponytail in the back of my head. But these are from a shop called MM Boutique. I'll link it in the description below. They come in different colors. It's a lot of fun. But I have several. As you could tell, I really like cheetah, most everything cheetah. So I'm gonna put this cheetah one on. And I probably should have put this on before I did the hair, because I could bet it's gonna butt my hair. Oh no, I got through unscathed. So I'm just going to put this headband on and get it centered right there. And you can leave it like at the edge of your hair if you want to, or like push it back. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And again, like I said, you can pull some of it. This is what the back looks like. If you don't like it looking shorter in the back, you can pull some of the hair back, and then you'll of course end up with more on the back than at the front. But I find that whenever you make it more even, what happens is it starts looking more like a mushroom, you know, because again, with the finer textured hair, it just kind of flops over. It's not gonna do like other people's does and like, you know, stand up at all or flip up. So anyway, that is how I rock a high ponytail with fine low density hair. I have Microlocs, and I have 512 Microlocs. My hair is anywhere between some a little bit of 3C to 4A and some 4B. And I have been locked for almost a year, just so you know my stats in my hair. So if you want to try a high ponytail, I got a lot of encouragement from people that was like, girl, rock it, or try putting on a headband and stuff like that. So you should try it. If you're not a part of my Facebook group yet, please click the link in the description below. And then also be on the lookout for the Lock Mama shop, which is going to be launching on February the 28th. It's going to have some really cool things in it. I'm going to start slow and steady, but the main item that I'm going to be producing in there right now is satin headrest cover. So if you're experiencing any frizz in your hair, or like you feel like your hair's rubbing the back of your seat, then it comes right now in 3 different colors: black, and then teal cheetah and gold cheetah, and I'm always adding new fabrics for what colors it's going to come out. If you click the link in the description below to sign up for the email list, you can get a discount on your first purchase. Whenever it launches, you'll get an email to let you know that the shop has launched. So I'm super excited and I'm grateful for you guys' support. But until next time, bye mamas.